So now let's see how we can work around with laser pointer inside of Google Jamboard. So Google Jamboard is used around to present out things to the audience and to explain things in a group. So if I were to go around with pen right here, then you can go around right here, and everything that you type, that is you draw around with the pen over here, what happens is that stays there permanently. But if you want the things to be temporary, then you can use the laser pointer tool right here. So if I were to click here and if I were to click and drag, it draws out things like the pen, but it is temporary, as you can see right here. So let's say I want to focus out on this area. I can simply draw around. It stays there for a while and erases out in that particular pattern. So let's just go around right here. See the arrow right here. You can see that it erases out just like that. And this makes for a very, very easy and interactive tool to explain things to the audience like this. Let's say, for example, this text right here, and then for that moment, the audience will focus on that area and then will be able to understand what you communicate. And that is how you can use the laser tool inside of Google Jamboard. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.